Hey there, welcome to a complete Python course for beginners. I am your guide Shantanu. In this lesson, we will know about IDEs and interpreters and how to install them. Now, what is an IDE? An IDE or Integrated Development Environment is a software or a program where developers write, test, and debug their codes. And an interpreter is a program who executes the codes line by line. I personally choose PyCharm as an IDE and Python as an interpreter. So let's install them. First, download PyCharm. So open a browser and search PyCharm on web. I will download PyCharm Community Edition because it's open source and free. Scroll down and click on download. First one is PyCharm Professional. It's not free. Scroll down and download PyCharm Community Edition. Now download Python as an interpreter. So search Python, click on downloads and download the latest version. Python download completed. Now it's time to install it. First, open the download folder and run it as an administrator. Install it by clicking install now. Now let's wait for PyCharm download to complete. Python download completed. Now it's time to install it. First, open the download folder and run it as an administrator. Click next. Select the directory. Leave as it is. Nothing to change here. Click next. Now wait. Click on finish. Now run PyCharm. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on don't send. create a new project, rename the project and create. Now create a Python file, hello world.py, and run our first Python program, hello world. And here is the output. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for upcoming Python videos and leave comment for advice and queries. Thank you.